So till now we have configured, okay, enterprise structure and also global settings. Then when it comes to the general ledger configurations, in this session, today's session only, we will see what are the general ledger configurations, and also we can see GL postings. Okay, so we can also see the GL postings like that. So today we are going to discuss about this one only. Okay, go to the transaction code, log on into the SAP, go back to the go to the transaction code, creation of posting keys in SAP, that is OB41. Go to the transaction code OB41. Here, see Bala, and also all other people. Here, posting key is a 2-digit key. Okay, to control line items, postings, key configurations. Okay, so whether the posting is debit or credit. So the types of accounts are, the entry will be made to, those are GL account, customer, vendor, asset, material. Okay, posting key for reversal, and if document is reversed, that is also we can use. And here in the screen layout rules also we can, fields can be suppressed, also required and optional. So as you have seen in the field status group, right? So when it comes to the different account types in SAP F5, see Bala, here there is a account assignment model is there, invoice is there, reverse credit memo is there, bank charges is there, other receivables will be there, outgoing payments will be there, assets will be there, customers will be there, vendors will be there, materials will be there, general ledger accounts also will be there. Why? Because, yeah, show me one thing. 40/50 is the debit and credit, that is for the GL, right? Go
Yes,
to the
sir.
40 and 50. Go to the 40 and 50. See, what is the 40? That is debit entry for the GL account. What is the 50? Credit entry for the GL account. Okay, so we no need to create any posting keys in the general ledger configurations. Okay, why? Because in the demo server it has already configured. If you want, you can just go to the what is it? That plate. Yeah, create is there, right? Here. Delete option is there. Create. Go to the create option. Go to the create option. Here, give the posting key 40. 40. Here, give the name of posting key. That is debit entry. Debit entry for GL account. Debit entry for GL account. For GL. For GL. Yes. Click on the entry. Enter. So see, posting key 40 already existed. Go back to this one. Remove all this. Yeah. Remove this one also. Yeah. Go to the 40 transact. Key 40 is the debit entry. It is already there. So we no need to create all these posting keys. Why? Because the system has configured. Okay. Then just go back to the another configuration. We need to know the definition of the posting. So posting key controls whether the entry is debit or credit. So that is very important. When it comes to the chart of accounts, go to the chart of accounts. That is OB13 transaction. Yes, OB13 is the transaction code here. So before we move to the transaction code, this OB13, so we need to know the chart of accounts. Chart of accounts is a financial organizational tool that provides a complete listing of every account in an accounting system. Okay, whatever the account system is there, and whatever the accounts that are there, we will use. So in this chart of accounts, we will have different types of chart of accounts. What are those? Operating chart of accounts will be there. Group chart of accounts will be there. Country specific chart of accounts will be there. You can just go to the new entries. Go to the new entries, Bala. See a chart of, give your chart of accounts, anything. Anything? Give you a chart of accounts. Yes, SROB. SROB. Yeah, you can give. VSOA is the chart of accounts, right? So chart of accounts. So what is the chart of accounts? It's a operating chart of accounts, right? What is that? VS0A or VSOA. Here, operating chart of accounts means what? Operating chart of accounts contains the GL accounts, okay, that you use for daily postings in your company code. So it contains the GL accounts. What are those GL accounts? Sales account, rent account, or whatever it may be. So you will use those accounts for the daily postings, right? So all data will be recorded in this operating chart of accounts only. Okay. So here, financial accounting and controlling both use this chart of accounts. You need to be very careful with this one. Go to the maintain language, maintain language, maintain language English, maintain language English. Length of GL account is 6. You can give whatever you want. 6 you want, you can give. 10
Maximum
you
is
want.
10, right, sir?
Yeah, maximum is 10 and you,
Minimum 6.
or normal is minimum is 6, right? Okay, no issue. Here, see, there is an integration field, controlling integration field, manual creation of cost elements. Here, why we need to take this manual creation of cost elements? Why? Because in the controlling only, you will create the cost elements. That is directly, I mean, those cost elements will not be directly interlinked with this chart of accounts unless we give this, yeah, unless we give this automatic creation of cost elements. Okay, go to the this button, drop down this button, Bala. Drop down this button. See, the automatic creation of cost elements is right. Yeah, if you create these cost elements, I mean, in the cost elements only, okay, in the control, okay, if you give this option, automatic creation of cost elements, automatically it is interlinked with the GL account only. Why? Because operating chart of accounts contains those GL accounts. That is very important. So give as it is, that is manual creation of cost elements. Okay, no issue. Here, consolidation purpose point of view, there is a group chart of accounts. What is the chart of accounts here, Bala? I mean, group chart of accounts. Group chart of accounts contains GL accounts that are used by the entire corporate group. Okay, consolidation purpose only. Here we don't have any group chart of accounts. That is why we are not giving anything. Okay. Okay. Just go back to the see here, Bala. If you want to block the operating chart of accounts, there is a option, blocked option. So if you remove this blocked option, okay, all entries will be posted. If you click on this blocked option, all entries will not be posted. That is very important. Okay, go to the what is that save button and save it. Are you clear with this explanation?
Yes,
Anyone?
sir.
Yeah. So we the country specific chart of accounts. What is the country specific chart of accounts? Here, go back and create new entry. Yeah, new entry. Yes. Here, take one chart of accounts, that is country specific chart of accounts. And here, country specific chart of accounts contains the GL account, same operating, same, I mean, as operating only. That GL accounts needed to meet specific country legal reporting requirements. Okay, so that is why we will use this country specific chart of accounts. So that is very important here also. Okay, so length of the GL account is 10. Okay, no issue. Then just go back to this, save button and save it. So we have created chart of accounts. So we need to, for reporting, we need to create the, I mean, assign the company code to this chart of accounts. Go to the transaction code. What is that? I think so, OB62. Go to the transaction code OB62. Yes. Here there is a we have created operating chart of accounts, country specific chart of accounts we have created, right? So give the company code here. Click on this one. So company name will be there, city will be there, chart of accounts is there, country specific chart. Chart of accounts means operating chart of accounts. Whatever you have created, just give all these two. and save it. Okay, Bala, I've given,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
To the next configuration, that is account groups. The transaction code is OBD4. So before we go to the transaction code OBD4, here you need to know one point. That is, here account group will help to separate different GL types. Again, I am repeating for you. This account group separate different GL types as equity accounts, fixed assets, account receivables, accounts payables, revenues, materials, overhead. You can see in this slide only. Okay. So here the chart of accounts is interlinked with the account group, and account groups are started with numbers only. Those are GL accounts that we going to create the FS00 transaction code. Okay. So if the interlink is missed with this account groups, you cannot post that entry. Why? Because a system will throw you an error. Okay. So for this, go to the position SR. Go to the position SAR1. Give SAR1. Give SAR1. Click on the green mark. SAR1 is not there, right? So
Yes,
we
sir.
need to copy all these one.
This one, sir.
So have you created this account group, Bala?
Yes, sir.
Go to the position. Go to the position. Give your account chart of accounts. I mean, your first company chart of accounts. Okay. Click on that one. Yeah. See, copy all these. Copy all these account groups only. Yeah, account groups only. I will give you clear explanation on this when it comes to the creation of the GL accounts. That is FS00. Go down.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yeah, go to the copy option and copy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here chart of accounts. Change the chart of accounts. All the chart of accounts. Change operating chart of accounts. Yes. Copy that one, Bala. VSOA. Copy that one. No, Bala. VSOA. Copy that one.
Control plus C or control plus Y, sir. I
No.
already tried. It is not taking. System is not taking. That's why
No.
I
No.
entered manually.
No. No.
Select all. Select the 4 letters.
No. No. No.
Where
No.
I
No.
want to select?
See, Bala. Do one thing. Copy
Yes, sir.
VS0A on the mouse button from the right, left to right. Copy that one.
మౌస్ బటన్
It
తోటి
is
4
not.
లెటర్లు కాపీ చేసి చాలా వస్తాయి.
See, Narayan Garu.
This.
సార్
Please go on mute. Please go on mute. No issue here. Okay, no issue. Bala, just give the remove the BSOA. Give the VSOA. No issue.
Remove one.
Yeah.
Sir.
No, Bala. No. VSOA. Give VSOA.
Okay.
Here only VSOA give. Okay. And yeah, take out that one BAOA. Remove that one. Give that one also. So for all these things, yeah, just do that one. I will wait for that. So this is the exact information. Why? Because in the demo server, we are copying all the data. But when it comes to the real time, okay, whatever the client that are giving, so we need to create those account groups as per the client data only. Okay, na? So this is the best example for you why we are copying all these data. Why? Because current liabilities will be there, current assets will be there, and revenues will be there. Revenues, resource and surplus will be there. Current liabilities will be there. Then next one is expenses will be there, income will be there. Okay, so based on this account group only, we will create the GL accounts. Why? Because So certain, I will give you basic example. So we have bought one raw material from the any vendor. So we are buying, right? So the vendor is anything. Okay. So raw material account data to the vendor. That is the main entry. Okay, we are buying the raw material. So that raw material needs to be there in your company code. Okay, so this account groups will help you to create this GL account. And this raw material is what that is a administration cost, right? Or else a current asset. Yeah, it's a current asset. Okay, so we are taking this raw material as a current asset. Why? Because it's a material. Okay, we are buying from the vendor. So raw material account debtor to the vendor account creator. Okay, so that is the thing here. You have copied, right, Bala? All?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go to the save button, enter, save button. Number of entries copied. Yeah, go to the save button and save it. Yes. So we have copied account groups. Okay. Then just to go to the this transaction code, Bala. What is that? OB56.
Retained earnings.
Retained earnings. So retained earnings, basically that account is used to carry forward the balance from one fiscal year to the next fiscal year. Why? I will tell. You have, I will give you the basic example. Bala is the vendor and Narayana is the customer. Okay, Bala is selling all those goods to the Narayana for the particular year. So here Bala has buy those goods, I mean like 100 fridges for 2 crores. Okay, so Bala has sold that goods to the Narayana, so for the amount of 1 crore 80 lakhs. So Bala is making loss. That loss is 20 lakhs only. So for the particular entire group, sorry, fiscal year report, you need to have certain conditions. What is the conditions? So we have lost the amount, and also Narayana has gained that amount. So here, for the reporting purpose only and balance sheeting purpose only, we are carry forward the balance from 2021 year to the 2022. Why? Because you will estimate the loss and also you will estimate the gain. And then when you get the loss, you will think about the profit for the next year. When you gain the profit, you will think about the profit only. You will not think about the loss only, right? So if you get the loss, it will be the, it will be what we say equal. And when we get the profit, so your earnings will grow like that. Suppose Amazon company will be there and Flipkart will be there. So Tesla companies will be there. So every time they are increasing their profit only. Okay, if they get loss, so those carry forwarding balance or those whatever the loss they have, so those amounts will be carried forwarded to the next year. Why? Because the reporting purpose only. So that is the here you can just go to the P&L statement. Here just to show me Bala that click on that one and drop down option. P&L statement is there, right?
Here, sir.
100. Go to the I will show you. Go to the OB D4 transaction code, Bala. OB transaction code. So here, see, chart of accounts, give you a chart of account. Yes. See, here reserves and surplus are there, right? So reserves and surplus means what? It's a gain and also loss. And those will be, that amount will be moved to this account only. That reserves and surplus is only. Later you will analyze the report for the particular period. Sorry, the year also. Yes, just go back to the back options and save it. Save it. Account not free. Okay, save it. Yellow message is showing, right? That is warning message. Okay, then just go back. So we have configured all these configurations for the general ledger. Okay, so here there is a one important configuration that is creation of GL accounts. Why we need to create the GL accounts? GL accounts are used to provide a picture of external accounting and accounts and to record all the business transactions in an SAP system. This is very important. All those accounts will record a business transactions in a SAP system with the transaction code FS00. I mean, creation of the transaction, new GL's account, that is FS00. Go to FS00, Bala. Meanwhile,
This thing again.
uh,
Sir, I want to. Okay.
no, Bala, change your company code first of all.
Sir, here I want to change, not an issue. Here.
Yeah, you can change. Yeah, no issue. Before we change, create this GL account. I mean, open the another screen. Open another screen. Open another screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just go back to this FS00. No, Bala, that screen. So you have to. You have to be on the two screens. First one is FS00. Then next one is OBD4.
OBD4.
Yeah. So create another screen. No, Bala.
1 minute, sir. I will open this one also.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So go to the create another screen. Here there is a screen option is there, right? Yes. So we are creating first I will create the rent account. I mean, for your purpose only, I will create the rent account. Okay. In
Okay.
this, we are going to post one GL entry also for this one. Okay. Go to the transaction. Sorry, no, not the this one. Go to this account groups. Next slide. See here, rent is what? I will give you example. You are living in a rent house and you want to pay that amount to the particular vendor. I mean, your owner, or else your owner has the Citibank account, or else your owner has the any other bank account, BOI account, Karur Bank, Visa Bank account. So these JL accounts we need to create. Why? Because we are paying the vendor to the particular bank holder. What is a bank holder? Your owner only. So in this, we need to create the first rent account. We need to create that rent account is what that rent.
Expense.
Yeah. So rent account, it's an administration cost, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So administration cost starts with what?
400, 300.
Yes, administration cost start with 400, 300. Go to the FS00 transaction. Yeah. Create 400, 300. Yeah. Change your company code. In your company code. Yes. So administration cost, it's a P&L account or balance sheet? P&L account, right?
Yes, sir. Profit and
Yes.
loss.
The rent, right? Yeah. Go to the short text rent account. Here rent account. Very nice. Later we will come to know what is the trading partner. Okay, I will tell you what is the trading partner also. I will tell you. No worries here. Go to the control data. Go to the control data. Here there is the account currency. See, line item display. Click on the line item display. Yeah. See, go back to the here short key. Give 001. That is posting date. I think so. Yeah. See, you can ask me what is the open item management. Bala, do you know about the open item management? Any other person?
Open item.
Open item management. Any other person? Do you know all these? Right. So I will tell you what is the open item management. Why we need to click on this open item management? Why we know to click on open item management? Why? Because in the open item management, if this GL account has your open item management, so whatever we are posting, whether it's a due amount or whether it's a completed amount, those will be shown in the symbols only. Okay, in the open item management, we will post one, right? So if it is a due, it will show you in a red mark. If it is a green, it will show you in the green mark. I mean, if you clear that item, it will show you in the green mark only. So that is why we use open item management for this. I mean, we will take another session. Open item management configurations will be there, and we can create that one, and we will assign this open item management for the particular GL account. So I mean, for now, it is not at all important. Go to the create and bank interest. Give the field status group Z001. Z00. Here I will I will tell you what is the post automatically only supplement auto postings reconciliation accounts ready to input. Later classes will come to know that. Here house bank is there, account ID is there, so all will be there, right? So why we need to use? So because of the automatic payment program only we will use this house bank. Why? Because so I will give you a basic example. You list your So in that company, I mean, company has 60 members, and you need to pay salary amount, okay, to the particular employees. So you pay, I mean, on the basis of the daily regular invoice clearings, no, right? So so previously, I mean, before SAP comes to the picture, okay, and so they will fill the data in the Excel sheet and they will transfer that Excel sheet to the bank account and they will transfer the amount to your, your account only. So in the SAP, we will have the wonderful opportunity. So in that opportunity, in that SAP, so we have that option, that is house bank and account ID option. When you give this a house bank, automatically, I mean, for the time only, you will get the salary. Okay, all the employees will get the salary, right? Because they will use the software. I mean, one company will use the software. Suppose AP government, TS government will use those softwares only. So I mean, every government employee will get the salary on time. That is March 30, February 30, February 28, January 31st. Like that, they will get, right? Why they are getting? What is the reason? Okay, why they? When they have configured. So so these all are in the SAP system only. Those configurations will be there in a SAP system only. That is why they are getting exact salary on the particular day. Okay, so that is very important. Go to the save button and save it. So we have created rent account. We need to create the Citibank account or Andhra Bank account. Anything, any bank account you need to create. For this, you can just go to the OB-D4 slide. Here, bank account is a current asset, right? So
Yes,
for the
sir.
yeah, so the GL account is started with 2001.
200.
Yes, very good. Go to the FS00 slide. Take out that 200100. Okay. Create that one. Yes. Go to the type and description. Change the account group, that is current assets. Okay. It's a balance sheet. Current assets is a balance sheet, right? Andhra Bank account. Andhra Bank account. Anything you can take. GL account is HDFC bank account. Go to the control data. Everything is same. Okay. A line item display, sort key is same. Yeah, Bala, I need to have more knowledge on this line item display.
Yes, sir.
See, Bala, why we are using line item display?
It is how many lines you have to post it in GL account. That's why. Otherwise, it is not showing in
Yes,
open
yes.
item display.
Very good. So here line item display will be there for the vendor. Line item display will be there for the general ledgers. And then next one, line items will be there for the customers also. So why we are tick mark on the line item display? Because whatever you have the data, that is posting date, document currency, document type, those will be shown in that line item display report only. So that is why we are using this line item display. Okay. So go to the field status group and give the Z001 and save it. Save. Yes. Save. Yes. So data was already saved. So for this, we need to go to the, we will post one entry based on this. Go to the transaction code FB50. Go to the transaction code FB50. Post entry, Bala. Give the document date. No, change your company code, Bala. Whatever we have created. Debit is rent, right? Credit is bank account. Take out that one. So we have created two GLs. Rent account take, that is debit. And when it comes to the credit, what is that? Bank account, right?
Sir.
Rent account, bank account. Sorry. Go to the take out credit and amount in document currency. Yeah. Click on enter, whether we will get the error or not. So document date, posting date are in different physical years. No. Change the document date.
Yes.
Okay. Click on enter. Okay.
Yes,
so the simulate option, there is no errors here. Go to the simulate option. If you have the errors, just to ping me. Whatever the errors you have, you can just ping. I will try to solve that. Go to the save button and save it. Wait.
Here posting keys and
Ah,
line item display.
posting key is 40 and 50 is there. Account short text, rent account data to the HDFC account is there. Okay. So rent account is for what? HDFC is our bank account. Credit means, debit means what? Credit. Okay. So giving that rent amount to the particular person. Okay. So for this, we need to have one GL account data, that is rent account data to the HDFC bank account creditor. Okay, then just go to the save button and save it. We are paying the rent. Right?
Yes, sir.
That person has a rent account. Document posted, right? Go to the transaction code FBL3N, line item display of GL account. Go click on that one. Yeah, see here, 15,000 we have posted. Okay, 27/02/2022. This is a GL account. SA type means what? General ledger
GL
account, right?
account means, yes, sir, day-to-day activities.
Yeah, day-to-day activities only. Okay, then just go back and stop your recording.